Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create time scroll effect on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot video editor app on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to select video and then select new, and then I'm going to add a video I want to edit. For example, I'm going to add this video. Okay, you can create this kind of video guys, the video of you who is scrolling your phone. Okay, and then I'm going to add the time scroll overlay to this project. We can go to the PIP and then go to the InShot material to get the time scroll video. Okay, here you can go to the intro guys, and then you can choose this one. Make sure you have good internet connection to download a video from InShot material. You can choose this video and you can place this video to any part on your video. For example, I'm just going to place it right here, and then I'm going to blend this video with my first video. So we can go to the blend menu and choose the best blending mode for it. Okay, I'm just going to use this one, the screen. Okay, click on the check mark and I'm going to show you guys the final result. Okay, this is the final result. You just need to keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Right, and then you can zoom in or zoom out. It's up to you guys. You can keep adjusting for the best result, but I'm just going to make it bigger. Okay, it looks cool, right? Okay, and once you're ready to save it, you just need to go to the export menu, and then you can choose the resolution and just click on export to save this video to your gallery. Oops. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create time scroll effect using InShot video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.